for coming into this YouTube channel, Trade Live with Precise Trader. And today is 4th December, and this is a US session. Okay, do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose. Use your information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of your trade with your broker before you put in your trade. So with that, I think we proceed with our live trades. Okay, the key data that is going to be out tonight is we have another 15 minutes. Okay, we have another 15 minutes, and we are going to get an ADP non-farm employment change. Okay, and the forecast is 152. But previous was 233, so that means the market is expecting a bit lower number than the previous figure. Then also we have ECB President Lagarde is going to talk. Then of course we have at 2300 hours we have ISM services PMI, followed by crude oil inventories at 2330. So these are the key data that is going to be out. Okay, now the next. Okay, as of now, just give me 1 minute. Okay, sorry. Yeah. Okay, as of now, we don't have any trades open. Okay, in fact, we took a couple of trades which we all, I think today we made money, especially buying dollar Sing, then selling the euro dollar and Aussie dollar, and buying dollar yen. Okay, so now we see. Okay, and also do take note that tonight, early in the morning, 2:45 p.m. Okay, we have a Fed chairman also giving a talk, so we should not be holding any positions overnight unless if the price are pretty far away and pretty far away. Right. So now let's move on to take trades and see. Okay, as of now, I think the gold is just started. I mean, the time bar just started, and we just came in. Okay, let's see that. Okay, so here we see gold is still in a range. Okay, this is still in a range, and we have not got any clear directions yet. Okay, and when we say the range, this is on the daily range. Okay, in fact, if you look into the market, this is trading between this is the daily range has been flat for the last 1 week, and this has been from 2621 the low, and the high is 266 half. And when you look at your 360, then your 360 is between 2636 half and 2651 half. So in other words, we have a daily wider range followed by a daily so-called narrower range, which is between 2636 half and 2651 half. And in fact, the market is trying to break the low, which is 36 half. So what we feel is, okay, we should be getting the price heading towards 2629 or 2630. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, I'm sorry because I'm getting a bad cough. Okay, so here we see that the market may push towards 2630, and if that level breaks, then we may see the price heading towards 2622. So these are the 26 or 2622. So what we can do is, since this is a downward extension, and this is trading below previous day low. Okay, so previous day low is let me see what's the figure. Okay, this is not previous day low. um, yeah, I think should be previous day, because the previous day low was 34 half. Okay, let's see on the dashboard. Yeah, the previous day low was 34 half. Okay, previous day low is 34 half, and right now this is trading around 2634. So we should see the price heading towards 2630, and the range should be between 2630 and 38 and 41. Okay, so that should be your trading range. Okay, so if I'm going to trade this, okay, what I can do is, okay, I think my stop loss, I want to put it somewhere below 2626. Okay, so we have the data coming in. Okay, we have a data coming in. So what we can do is, since we don't have any trade, okay, we can go for this trade. Okay, we'll try to buy at 2630 and 2626 half and 2639. Okay, that means we got to exit before 2641. Okay, so and this one the expiry we give until 2230. Okay, then we may want to put in another trade at either 2626 or 2622. Okay, which is going to be the current week low. Okay, so that one I think we will give until 2330. So we'll put 2622, stop at 2617 half, and if you buy at 2622, we got to exit before 2630 or 32. Okay, so 2630 half, that means it's only about $8 move what we are looking for, because this is going to be in a very tight range. So we want to be a very comfort game. Okay, so maybe so if that level, okay, if that level breaks, then we may see 261718. So as of now we got to try to buy, and right now I think it's already bounced back to 38. In fact it came off to 34, 32 half, and we're trying to buy at 30 half, 30. So I think we missed it about $2 plus. Okay, so let that be, and we will see how this thing works. Okay, the next trade we can look into is we try to, okay, let me go and see the 360. Okay, the next level we can sell is, try to sell at 45. Okay, 45. Then we'll try to exit at 33 and put a stop at 38, 48 half. So that should be our next call. Okay, so that one since we are trading, we don't have any trades, so we'll try to sell at 45 half, 49 half, to 633. So 33, 32 half was a low. So we'll try to exit at 33 or even 30, 34 half, maybe slightly higher. Okay. So then again this one we will give until 23:30. Okay, not more than that. So that is going to be about 2.5 hours, no, slightly about 2 hours 20 minutes. Okay. So here we are going to have like one buy one sell on the gold. Then we will see how it comes about. Okay. So here let me and we are trying to buy at 30. So that is another trade where we are looking for. So then apart from that, I don't think I want to give any other trades. The only thing is the dollar yen looks strong as expected and is already gone into outside of the range. So we should be looking to buy, and we should see a price target of 15150. Okay, so that should be the level where we be having our eye on for dollar yen. Okay, let me share that screen. So here, so if you see, we are expecting dollar yen to I 151.40.50. Okay, at least for the next so-called going to be another 1 hour 45 minutes. Okay, but no, it's sorry, 2 hours. It's 2 hours 45 minutes because we still have more time for this trading bet. And we have news coming out in another 3 minutes. So wait for the data. Then after that we can decide. Okay, just give me a minute. I'm going to get a cough. Just give me 1 minute. Can't really take it. Sorry about that. Okay. So now we are waiting for the data. So we have ADP non-farm payroll. If the data is good, then we may see the gold coming off and dollar yen going up, and the so-called dollar strength to continue. That means the pound should be weakened, the euro coming off, then the Aussie also move lower. Then we can go for dollar CAD. Okay, the dollar CAD is something also I may want to give a call. Okay, that one is right now, this is trading at 140.60. So we may want to buy at 140.40. If we get it, then exit at 41.20. So this is something, of course this is also showing some weakness, but we are not very confident on this trade because this has been, in fact this morning we bought and we couldn't get the strength as expected. So we'll buy at 40, stop at 15, and TP at 141.20. So this one I think we can give also until 2300. That means 1 hour 45 minutes for this trade, because this time belt is going to finish in 2 hours. Okay, sorry, 2 hours 45 minutes. Okay, let's get this figure out first. ADP non-farm employment change, then we will see, then after that we move on. Okay, so the data, okay, this is pending. Let's see what is the data. Okay, the data is 146, so slightly about 6k less than forecast, which means to say that I don't think we may see any big movement because the market, I mean, the data came in as expected. So there's only about 6k negative, so there isn't much movement on this. So I think the next data is 2300 hours ISM services PMI. So if that data comes in stronger than expected, then we may see any big movement. But until then, I don't think we will be seeing any big movement. Slowly, I think we'll just see in a range. Okay, so let's go back. So if you see, okay, we are not seeing any, only on the 15 minute, the pound is going up a bit. Okay, let's see whether we can trade that. Okay, pound looks a bit choppy, yeah. So this is not giving us any big movement. So if you notice, okay, I mean, if you just say like pound, you see we don't have any buying force coming into play, and we have two selling forces on the weekly and one strong buying force. Okay, so all we can see is this is in a very tight range on the 360. So if you look into it, the 360, this has been flat for the last 6 hours. That means for the last 24 hours this market has been trading within to 12630 and 12705. That means there's only about 75 pips move for the last 24 hours. So which means to say that for pound, usually for the pound range, I think for 60-70 pips is considered very narrow and very quiet compared to other markets. I mean, if 60-70 pips is for Aussie, dollar Swiss and New Zealand, I think this is acceptable. But for pound, usually, we should get at least about 100-150 pips movement. Okay. So I don't think I want to see any trade. Maybe I may want to wait for the ISM services. So maybe what we can do is after the ISM services is out, maybe we can see general. And one more thing is also, do take note that the Fed chairman is also giving a talk. Okay, that is also another factor to be considered. So he's going to talk at about 2:45 a.m. Okay, let me blow up the screen. Okay, so so if you see, he's going to talk about 2:45 a.m., which means to say that that might also have a impact on today's movement, because the market may be waiting for some clues, and maybe that's one of the reason why the market is being a bit quiet. Okay, so any as of now we don't want to force ourselves, and we have taken some trades today, and we did make some profits. For those of you who have not been following us, okay, you can always go and check on our website, because all our trades, whatever we do, we are very transparent. Okay, that means if the trade is filled, we'll tell you it's filled, profit is booked. So we are made, I think we made about 37 pips here. Then on the momentum, I think today we did a good trade. We made about 110 pips. In fact, it's supposed to be making more, but I think we closed a bit early. Okay, Then we made about 120 pips on day trading on Aussie and pound Aussie. So all in all, I think we made more than 2%, 2.5%. So I think this is okay, because when the market is quiet, then I think we got to get ourselves prepared for that. Okay, so now for those of you who are coming in first time, okay, I just want to tell you that our system is a very unique system. We have been working on it for the last 20 over years. In fact, I've been in the industry for more than 30 years. So we have developed a system whereby the system would tell you, okay, the system would tell you uh, oh, the do's and don'ts, and basically all the W's. That means when to trade, where to trade, why trade, all the answers. And then we should be able to pick up uh, the levels, and we do trade mainly on uh, on the specific levels, because we do have a so-called a specific approach, and whatever the market is giving, if there is an opportunity, we will take. So that's the thing we need to take note. Okay, so market is quiet. I don't think. Hold on, let me see. There was some. Okay, Aussie. I think Aussie is still trying to break the low. Okay, so we are bearish on our Aussie. We should be able to see at least 63.50 or even 63.20. So that should be the level. Okay, so here, okay, let's see. Let's see. See, the problem is, okay, let me see the dollar yen. Okay, I feel, I don't want to really force myself to trade this market, because I still feel we can get a better. In fact, dollar yen, if we get 15060, okay, that's the level I'm looking for a buy. Now is 15110, which we already exited. Then we should get roughly another at least 30 to 40 pips cheaper, so we don't have to pay a high price for this trade, chasing, because the the target is also that not that much. Then at the same time, also the Fed chairman is going to talk, so that might be a quiet market. Maybe if you are awake during that time, if you say something, that is going to delay, the cutting of interest rate, then that might give the dollar strength again. But the dollar strength, I think we have still haven't is finished, especially against the euro, and most of the crosses. So we are still dollar bullish, but we have to be like a cautious bullish, because this may come to an end soon. Okay, I'm not sure whether this is going to happen this week or next week. So, but we just have to closely monitor. Okay. Okay. Any questions or any markets you all want to discuss? Any markets, if you feel, I'm very open to for discussion. Because as of now, today we don't have. I think we have already made more than 2.5%. So I don't want to chase the market and lose what we have made, what we have worked for. Okay. So do you want to discuss about any specific market? Let me know. Otherwise, we can call it off, and I'll see you again tomorrow. In fact, every day we are doing about 4 sessions. One is Asian session, which is about 12 p.m. That gives you the heads up for the day. That means what is to be expected for the whole day. Then we have one another language, Tamil version. Then after that, we have a Europe session. Then we have a US session. So we have three different time frame sessions, and all during this time, we are putting the trades and we are taking trades and we are trading. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Any anything? If not, then I'll see you again tomorrow. Okay. So if no questions, okay. Once again, thank you for coming, and looking forward to see you again tomorrow. And like as I said before, please, if you feel that our system is useful, and if you feel that this is something to look for, please bring in your friends. Okay, whoever in this industry, just bring them along, tag them along. At least, we get the group getting bigger, because we are not new to the industry. We are just new to YouTube, but we have been pretty long period. So we have seen a lot of crises. We have seen a lot of ups and downs in our life, and we would definitely we can share it with you. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Good night, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.